This is question number 22 in the June 2013 non-calculator paper. Okay, reading the question first, it says P and Q are two triangular prisms that are mathematically similar. Now, that's really important, and we'll see about that as we go on. Prism P has a triangle ABC as its cross section. Prism Q has a triangle DEF as its cross section. AC is 6 centimeters, DF is 12 centimeters. The area of the cross section of P is 10 centimeters squared. The length of the prism P is 15 centimeters. So all this information is given on the diagram as well. Work out the volume. So this is maybe the most important thing here. We want to work out the volume of Q. Now, one of the important things that you need to be familiar with is, with regard to similar shapes, the proportion for length, like if your multiplier is, say, K for length, then your multiplier for area is going to be K squared, and then your multiplier for volume is going to be K cubed. Now, what is our multiplier here? We are going to find this from these lengths. From 6 to 12, the multiplier is obviously 2. 6 times 2 gives you 12. The multiplier for the area, so the area of this face here, could help us work out the area of this face over here. Our multiplier for that is going to be 2 squared, which is 4. Our multiplier is going to be 4 for that. So the area of this triangle here, DEF, is going to be 10 times 4, which is 40 centimeters squared. Now, to work out the volume, I'm going to do my workings over here. I know there's space down below, and this is a 4-mark question, so you need to make sure you give all the information. But just to avoid me having to move the sheet around, I'm just going to make sure I put all the information where you could see it. Okay, so to work out the volume of Q, that's going to be the area of DEF, the area of the front face, times it by how far back it goes, the length. So this length here is what I want to find out. However, what I do know is that the multiplier for lengths is 2, and I know the length, how far back this prism P goes back. It goes back 15. So if I use the same thing, that multiplier, to help me work out the length or how far back prism Q goes, that's going to be 15 times 2, which is 30. So to work out the volume of Q, it's going to be the area of the front face, which I've worked out to be 40, times it by how far back it goes, which I've worked out to be 30. 40 times 30, 4 times 3 is 12, 2 zeros, and don't forget all these units are in centimeters, so it's centimeter cubed. This is a pretty straightforward question, and it should be relatively easy to get all 4 marks in here. You need to know the key facts, right? Because they're similar shapes, the area multiplier is squared of the length multiplier, and the volume multiplier is the cubed of the length multiplier. So you just need to make sure you're completely familiar with that, and you're able to do this question and get full marks in it. Okay?